with us as we have a staycation at Yaamava Resort and Casino in Highland, California. Yamava is located about 60 minutes away from downtown Los Angeles. It features a 17-floor hotel tower with 432 guest rooms and elegant suites. We will be staying one night at Yamava in one of their executive king suites. Let's take a look at the room. This resort opened in December 2021, so it is brand new and it's really, really nice. Here you have the living area with a nice, comfortable couch. It's not a pull-out couch, so it does not pull out into a bed, but I suppose someone can sleep there. Here you have your espresso maker, and it comes with complimentary espresso and bottled water. Here is our mini fridge with more complimentary water and storage to store any of your leftover food you may have accumulated. Next, we have a storage area where you can store some of your snacks or anything else, just additional storage. This living area also has a big screen TV. In fact, the room comes with two TVs, one in the living area and one in the sleeping area. The sleeping area has one king-size bed, and yes, that bed was very comfortable. I really enjoyed it. Here you see TV number 2. It was nice having two TVs in the room. That way someone can watch something in the living room and you could watch something different in the sleeping room. It was really convenient. And this chair was wonderful, especially seated right next to the window where you could just look at the view of the mountains. Gorgeous. Let's take a quick view of the San Bernardino Mountains. Really gorgeous on a clear day. I really enjoyed my view in the room. This executive king suite has a large bathroom that also has a nice view of the mountains. You can open up these blinds and let the natural light come in while you're doing your makeup or getting ready. It was really nice to have that in this bathroom. There was no bathtub in the suite, but it had a really nice shower with 2 shower heads and a bench, which is always a plus. If you are a guest in one of Yaamava's executive suites, then you get access to their Y Lounge located on the 17th floor. The Y Lounge serves a continental breakfast in the morning and light snacks until 8 p.m. a bar inside and outside of the lounge. The outside of the lounge has great ambiance and sweeping views of the San Bernardino Mountains. Yamava, which is one of the largest or the largest casino in Southern California, is great. This resort is beautiful, clean, the service is excellent, and I really enjoyed my stay. I come to Yamava to play often, but it was nice to have a staycation at this resort, and I would come back again. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and join us on our next adventure on Order of Fun. Thanks for watching.